Okay, we have this system here. This is a Surface Go laptop. Apparently it does not turn on. Nothing happens. And data is important. Connect to charger. They left it on charge, as I said. It was charging the whole time. Oh, it's pulling in 1.56. Maybe their charger was bad. Indeed, no reaction. But it's pulling in 1.6 amp. If it was on charge the whole time, it shouldn't be taking this much amp. Yeah, that's very interesting. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, I've got all the screws out. Just okay. Leave that plugged in and press the power button. No reaction. So where is all this amp going to? It's the keyboard. Let's pull that out. So power went off. Now it's charging. I think it's charging the battery. Okay. See if there is any documentation for the schematics for this guy. Then we can have a look at the power button, see if it actually triggers. Is that where the SSD is? Yep, sweet. Hmm. Hello, one sec. Okay. What I'm curious to see is if the battery is actually charging. Should be charging. No, because it's pulling 1.6 amp. I'm thinking it's charging, but it's not. Oh no, something is maybe burning or something strange happening. Okay, how many degrees is that? Ah shit, 58 degrees. That is a lot. That is a MOSFET. Okay, disconnect the power. Press the power button. It doesn't reveal much. The power button goes here, comes out here into here. Okay. 20 volts. Okay, let's check if there is any issues with the MOSFET or the DC in the, there's a shunt resistor there, no short. I'll have a look on the camera to see if those MOSFETs are good. I'm assuming they're good, but we never know. Okay, gate to source, no problems there. Here, gate to source, no problem here. Here, yeah, no problem. If there was really an issue, we wouldn't even be able to get 1.6 going. But where is 1.6 going? That's a good question. We don't know. To ground, no short. Okay. Okay. Let's see where or if the power button actually works. Okay. I'm going to press the power button as I move through each pin. Yeah, you can hear the beeping sounds as I press the power button. It's pin number 1. So that says the power button actually is working fine, no issues there. Still shows 1.6. I guess that's quite normal, hey? Okay, got the power. Let's take out charging port there. And also LCD connector. $1.6. No fan spin. No keyboard backlight either. Take out the SSD. Now this unit does require an SSD. Microsoft. The, the casing is too big, it won't go in. Okay. That's, oh yeah, we haven't got battery connected. 1.6 as before. No power. Interesting indeed. Have a look at the CPU area, see if there's anything obvious. Anything obvious around there? It's about 40 degrees, that MOSFET here. Just want to see any reaction on the CPU end. No, no reaction. Zero. It's still cold as ice. Okay, let's try shorting manually. No reaction. No reaction. Of the coils that we can see. Nothing. Pretty much nothing. Like not even a short. No, this is welded. That's also welded. Okay. Alright, we'll give them their options, see what they want to do. We'll check the data, see if it's healthy. Okay, good. There is no encryption. Okay, we'll give them an option of maybe motherboard replacement or repair options. They're really strange. It's very clean, literally nothing. But battery not charging, that's very interesting. Okay, for now, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Thank you, Ali.